Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to set a nickname for a friend in your Instagram chat, an easy and fun way to personalize your conversations. Whether you want to add a special touch or just make your chats more playful, this updated method will have you customizing nicknames in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, head over to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon or the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Next, open the chat with the friend whose nickname you want to change. It can be anyone from your contacts list or recent conversations. Once the chat is open, look to the top of the screen where your friend's name or username is displayed. Tap on their name at the top. This will open the chat settings and show you various options related to that conversation. Now, find and tap on the option labeled Nicknames. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your friend's current Instagram name and an option to set a new nickname just for your chat. Choose your friend's account from the list if it's not already selected. Then, type in the new nickname you want to use. It could be anything: a fun pet name, a shortened version of their name, or something unique that only you two understand. After typing the nickname, simply tap Done to save it. Instantly, the new nickname will appear in your chat, replacing their usual name. It's a small change that makes your conversations feel more personal and fun. And that's it. Setting a nickname on Instagram chat is quick, simple, and a great way to add a little personality to your messages. Try it out with your friends and see how it changes the vibe of your chats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more Instagram features to get the most out of your social experience.